Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen culture. Today we are making an Indian welcome drink, PAAN shots. Here I have 5 fresh betel or PAAN leaves that I'll cut up and add to the mixer. Next I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of fennel or soft, 1 teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder, 3 tablespoons gulkand, 1/4 cup cold milk, and 300 grams of vanilla ice cream. Blend until smooth. Now to present the PAAN shots, I'll dip the rim of the shot glass into milk and desiccated coconut. Drop a few tutti frutti chunks and pour the prepared drink. Relish this refreshing drink with family and friends.